Hello there, I want to show you how you can instantly save money on your subscription of Google Workspace. I found about this feature today just by accident. You click on the gear icon, click on Manage this organization. Looks like I need more storage. And then you're going to go to billing, subscriptions, click on the subscription, and then we're going to go to more, and then click cancel subscription. Do this under your own risk. I'm not going to take responsibility for any mistakes that you'll do. Or if you delete your account by accident, don't hold me liable. This is for education purpose only. Cancel. Continue to cancel. That's what we want, 30% discount. Save 30%, current subscription with limited time offer. Keep everything for going to apply this offer. There we go. We got the discount. By the way, my company is webeka.com. I do web development and graphic design services. Check us out. And we're running our business using a CRM system called thorodev.com. Check out Thorodev, really good CRM system for, it's not only for web developers and graphic designers, it can be used pretty much by any business, but it's absolutely inexpensive and I love to save money, as you can see here. Alright, hopefully that saved you some dollars, and hit a like, subscribe. I'm going to share more tips and tricks in our channel. Thanks.